Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Shop Bus TV Production.
See that, my people? Yeah, man. That is the footage from the Jane Bank people, Portmore people, where the R0BB3RY people are shooting. People, when I see what go on, as the man them pull up, as the brings one pull up people, and two security guards move to the bank with the bag them people. Cars pull up people, and the man step out and won't look on them people. You know see that? Two security guards get shot up. You see massive people. Two man in shop and come up in the video. You see massive people. One wall bag there, one wall bag there, and thing, and them took off people. So you see, this thing come like it well planned, people. You see massive, it well planned. But when I say people, what was the third security guard? You're supposed to have a security guard people who come out of the van first and then wall off the bank door, cover the next two security guard them where carry the money. We don't see that one day. Don't. We don't see that security guard there. So you tell me saying, well, then two security guard there carry the money on board, cover themselves. People. General people. People. The youth them want money. The youth them want money, people. And remember, the youth them serious. You hear that, people? The youth them serious. Because remember, you know, brings, you know, every man supposed to arms. We are work in our bring truck, you know, carry money with people. And if the youth them know say boy bullying for you, yeah, brings man them all of them shotgun and thing and them magnum on them silent. People, the youth them brave. You understand what I'm saying? The youth them brave, they know what them do. You see what them do? As they step out of the van or they step out of the car, people, and by before the security guard and reach to the bank, people, man just whoop upon them alone shooting. You understand, massive people? People. Serious time we living in, people. You hear that? And we all need to send condolences to the Mark family. It's massive people. It's massive. Send some prayer for the other security guard in a hospital. Send some prayer for Mark family and anything, people. Yeah, man, people. I beg you now. Keep safe. Right? Keep safe. Every day you wake up, people, give the Most High thanks. You see me I say, walk with God, talk with God. Yeah, man, me people. Bless up my people. Yeah, man. Shop boss people, I'm out.